Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two platforms, which is Airwallex and Revolut Business. So let's quickly dive into it. So we'll decide which of these can be a best choice for you. So let's dive into it. Talking about Airwallex. Airwallex is built for global business that deals with multiple currencies. It offers great FX rate, no monthly fee, and integration with tools like Zero and Shopify. It's perfect for international travel transfers and managing global clients. However, its customer support can be slow and account approval may take some time. Talking about Revolut Business, on the other hand, it's easy to set up and better for small digital-first companies. It offers smart expense tracking, multi-currency account, and a sleek mobile app. But account freezes and limited support remains the biggest issue. So in my opinion, Airwallex wins for scaling global, while Revolut Business is ideal for startup that wants fast and modern ways banking. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Yes, if you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.